Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got bases loaded lacquer, flashing some leather, and TTYL029. I am starting out with Nailtiques Formula 2 as my base, and this is flashing some leather. It is so pretty. I mean, this was one I was excited for. It's kind of a caramel color, and it's got an amazing formula. Can never get over her formulas. So here we go with our second coat, and look at that. I mean, it just glides on. It's so pretty. The only struggle I'm having is getting used to the shorter nails and figuring out how to load that brush. I am going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat, get it to dry down, and get to doing some playing. There we go. So there is flashing some leather all on its own. TTYL029 is the stamping plate today, and I'll be using Maniology's Aphrodite. Oh, this is a stunner right here. I love this stamping polish. I got my AliExpress cube stamper and my Maniology scraper out today, and I'm just going to use this image over in the corner. Kind of caught my eye. Got to turn it around to look because I want to get that kind of centered. You guys know me. I'm going to clean that stamper off on my lint roller, and the plate's getting cleaned with pure acetone. And we're just going to plop this same image on all of the nails today. And I really do like this image. I wish my nails were a little longer for it, but you know, gotta just get by while I'm doing my restart with these nails. I'm telling you, this stamping polish is just, it's so pretty. I love having that hollow bling. It just makes my heart happy. So there we go. We're all stamped up. I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and get the excess off of my skin the best I can. And then I'm going to pop in with my acetone and my cleanup brush and just kind of fine tune that cleaning there. There we go. There we go. Get them up. Get them all cleaned up there. I hope in the swatch photo you get to see how gorgeous the stamping polish is. Some bling with it, with that hollow. I am going to top it with the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat and get it kind of sealed in a little bit before my final top coat. And today I'll be using Moonshine Manny's Let's Go top coat and finish this one off here. So there it is. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.